If you're still making losses while trading and actually it's actually become a thing of concern to you, you're not alone. I was there before. Okay, I was part of the persons that were actually trading today and losing it back to the market. Okay, I make profit today and tomorrow the market what takes back the money from me. Now what happened was because my thinking was the problem. Okay, I'm going to be walking you down to how you can become consistently profitable. Now if you have a trading system that you're trading, let's say you have something that whenever you come into the chart, that's the thing that you trade, you are actually a profitable trader. The only thing is that you haven't learned how to know some certain things that will enable you grow that money instead of blowing that money. Okay, I moved from blowing money to growing money. Okay, and it was just a little bit of adjustment in my thinking. It wasn't really the market that was the problem. The problem was actually my thinking. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you down to understanding how you can actually do same thing. Okay, repeat it and how you can become what profitable. Now if this is your first time of watching our video, I'm going to be sharing how to stay profitable consistently. It's going to be in the series. Okay, it's going to be in the series. If you are actually interested in hearing more of this, I would like you to subscribe, hit the comment section and tell me what you learned from this video. Okay, so let's dive right in. Now the first thing is to becoming profitable, you need to be able to have what? An edge. Now what is an edge? An edge simply means an advantage over the market. Now what that simply means is that whatever you're doing, okay, you should be able to have that one thing that whenever you come into the chart, that's the thing you're looking for. Trading is actually repetition. Why am I saying trading? Success is actually repetition. How do I mean? Let's say if I'm actually in any field of endeavor, I need to keep repeating something that is working for me. That way I'm able to stay profitable. That is what it simply means, repetition. Okay, now having an edge in the market talks about you having the advantage in the market, that whenever you come into the market to trade, that's the thing you're looking for. That's that one thing that you really want to see. That one thing is what gives you that concern and be like, hey, finally my market has given me an opportunity. Here it is. The market moves every day, and whatever thing the market is doing that you don't understand is actually somebody's aspect in profitability. Okay, so your duty is just to wait for the market to come to you and show you that one thing that you see in the chart and you're able to trade. Now when I started up in my own trading, becoming profitable, one of the things that I did was I screenshot the things that I actually like to trade. The pattern, my trading system, I called it my trading system. I actually screenshot them, then I drew them on my cardboard and pasted them on the wall. Now, what am I saying? I'm trying to send a message to my mind, telling my mind that whenever this thing shows up in the chart, this is what we're going to be doing. You're going to be getting an entry. So up till date, if that thing shows up in the chart, I'm always happy because why? I say opportunity of making money has come. Okay, that all what I'm doing is just repeating what I see and what I'm trading, repeating it consistently. That way, I'm what able to stay profitable. Now, the next one is your trading rules. Guys, you don't want to miss this for anything. I told myself something that even if you have to do something that is contrary and it doesn't work out, fine, no problem, but make sure your trading rules was in place. That trading rule is you. Just like you're working in a company and you are accountable under someone, you have to give accountability of when you come to work, when you left the work, the assignment you were given to do, were you able to do it diligently and submitted at the exact time it was needed. That is how trading is. But this one, you don't have a boss, you are you. Okay, you have to be accountable to yourself in the sense that you need to tell yourself that, hey Sammy, this is what I'm going to be doing whenever I come into the chat. When I come into the chat to trade, this is what I want to see. Okay, and this is the time I open, this is the time I close. Yesterday I went against my trading rule and I was like, I'm not going to do this again. Now the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to make sure you have something guiding you in the market, and that's the trading rule. The goal is to keep obeying it. If anybody tells you that I don't make losses in the market, I'm always trading, no, we do. Okay, losses is part of the process, but the goal is that the profit should be more than the losses. The profit should be what? More than the losses. In the sense that whenever you're doing in the chart, whatever you're doing on the screen, it should give you what you actually want. It should give you what you actually want, in the sense that profitability is still part of the role. You are not making anything contrary against what you're supposed to be doing. Okay. Now be at what? An age. That age is what gives you what you want. And the second one, like I mentioned, have a trading rule. Okay. Now the third one I'm going to be telling you is be defensive. Be on the defensive. Yeah. What do I mean by be on the defensive? Let's take an example. We we place